This morning, fire crews in California are preparing as high winds are expected to return to the forecast throughout the region. This weekend, crews saw a break in the high winds, creating an opportunity to block growth in the fast-moving wildfires. The National Weather Service issued red flag warnings through Wednesday, with winds expected to reach up to 50 miles per hour.
These winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County very high.
We now know at least 24 people are dead. The Los Angeles County coroner is reporting 8 people are dead from the Palisades fire and 16 are dead from the Eaton fire. At least 16 people are missing, and local authorities are expecting this number to rise. The AP says 4 California wildfires have burned more than 62 square miles, which is actually an area larger than the city of San Francisco. At this hour, the Palisades fire is 13% contained and has burned just under 25,000 acres. The Eaton fire near Pasadena is 27% contained, burning just under 15,000 acres.